Hey y'all, today we are trying out the Stila Tinted Moisturizer Skin Balm. I can't tell you how many shades they have. I will list it down below. Yeah, it's one of those days. So again, I will have it listed down below. This is a brand new product. It is $34, I believe. I did get this online at Ulta. I love how we are coming into the new year and we are getting lots of foundations to try, skin tints, all of that. So yeah, I am excited about this one. So if you guys are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting here. There's no filters, no blurring, nothing. So my skin is my skin. You'll see the redness, rosacea, all of that. And then you're going to see how this little baby covers it. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe and let's hop in. Okay guys, this is in the shade 4. And from what I have read, you want to swirl your brush in and then apply it like that. I'm going to try this brush first. This is the Radiant Foundation from It Cosmetics. No, It Brushes for Ulta, same thing. But we'll see how it goes. It says a fluffy brush. Stila just came out with a dual-ended brush, kind of like this, or I have one from It. We'll see how it goes. So let's grab some on our brush. Don't have a clue how much to put. Okay, we're gonna need more. This isn't picking up the best. Yeah, that's doing nothing. Let me try this one. Maybe it has to be not so dense. I mean, it is a balm. Yeah, no, okay. Nothing's coming off, so I'm gonna run my finger in here. It's pretty, like you can't really get anything off. Let me keep doing this and swirling in. Yeah, it's really hard to get any of the product. Weird. Alright, there's a little bit. That took me quite a bit of time. This says it's buildable, but it's very sheer. I mean, like, very sheer. Oh, so excited for this, and it's not going on very good. Like you can see, there's practically no coverage. Alright, this is a dry sponge. It's kind of dirty, but I'm going to try it. Maybe it'll work a little bit better. Okay, much better. The sponge grabs some of the product. So this is supposed to be like a skincare balm hybrid. So I get it's a balm, but it's pretty hard to get anything on the skin. And you have not a lot of product in here, you guys. There is only 0.35 ounces, so a third almost of what you would normally get in a standard 1 ounce foundation. And I am having to use a good bit of this to even get the skin somewhat uniform. So I don't know about that. It says to swirl, so I am swirling. Okay, now we've got a little bit of the product off. Maybe it had a weird layer on it. But with a brush, it kind of is streaky. I don't know. This is a weird one. So swirling my brush in, and then you can see it kind of come off on the skin. It took us a bit. We had to really dig into this product to get it to work. And I don't normally swirl when I'm applying foundation. I kind of dab it, because I want the most coverage that I can get. So the brush did work after a bit of messing with this product. I would say the coverage is light, maybe light medium. The shade's good though. You could definitely have this be sheer, but it's supposed to be good ingredients. I like that. Here's what we look like. Definitely have a glow on the skin. It's not the smoothest, but I think it looks good on the skin. I don't have any areas that's really just sticking out. Doesn't look good, like the nose. I think it went over the nose pretty well. I'm gonna grab just a little bit more. We've got a little bit of the polka dot pore coming through there, but it easily covered it. Looks pretty good now. Okay. Gosh, that took forever, you guys. I'm gonna throw on a bit of concealer, do the rest of the face. I'm gonna do minimal makeup. Eyes are already done. Where this is that kind of skincare hybrid, lighter coverage. So I'm gonna throw a little bit on and we'll be right back. And we're back. So this is what the full face looks like done. I used cream. I just used a bit of the Sun-Kissed bronzer from Nude Sticks. I did a little bit of highlight. This is the Pure Skin Haze CBD Glass Glow Skin Highlighter. And that's pretty much it. I did set the under eyes lightly, but this is what we look like. I actually like the way this is looking. It's barely tacky, just a very, very little bit. So we'll see how it wears throughout the day. Again, right now I do really like it. It did take us some time to get here though. So that was an issue. Maybe it was just first use. You have to kind of warm it up. I don't know. But as far as everything completely done, I do like it. It doesn't accentuate pores or texture. Nothing weird on the skin. It's not doing anything weird, so I like it. So I will see you guys later on. All right, lovelies, we got in a full 8 hours here. It's not going to be as bright. It is getting dark here, but we still have more than enough light. I can see in the viewfinder it still looks really good. I thought I was getting too late because the sun's going down. It's crazy. But I think this still looks really good. I had a mask on for several hours today and I didn't set this, but it still looks really good. The nose, my nose was running. What a surprise. My nose is always running. But it is, wow, if I could speak, it would be great. It is kind of gone there, but that's expected. Everything else still looks really good. It didn't settle into my forehead lines a lot. It's a little kind of, it's kind of off there. It's kind of bubbly looking. It definitely does look worn on my nose, but again, there was a mask rubbing it. So I don't think it looks bad. I think this is medium coverage. I do like the way that it looks, so I'm actually really conflicted. We had such a hard go at applying this. I mean, really getting it in there. I think it needs to kind of be warmed up. So this isn't something I think you're going to get and you're going to put your brush in there, have this on in a minute or two and be out the door. I don't think it's going to be like that at all. This is something you got to play with. You got to kind of build up. If I could get a lot on my brush, maybe it wouldn't have taken so long, but like I said, this is something you really have to warm up. But I do like the overall look. So again, I'm conflicted. It's kind of, there's no product in here. I mean, 0.35, like I said earlier in the video, that's kind of nothing. I mean, that's a third of what you're normally going to get. So you guys seen how it wore. I'm not going to not recommend this one, and I'm not going to recommend this one. It's let me play with it a little bit more. At least you guys did get to see kind of a try on with it, because I don't want to say I love it. I don't want to say I hate it. I just don't know yet. That's not normal for a review video and a first impressions, but I don't know. I want to keep using it. I want to see if it's still hard to get out, if it still takes that long to apply, because I do like it. I like the look. Now, also, this is one where it is still a little bit tacky. It never sets down. I want to try it where I'm going to set the face, see if I like it better. But I will update you guys down below, and I will put this in an update video because I don't normally be like, I don't know. So I am going to do an update video with this in it. But yeah, I like it, but I have some issues with it. So that is where we stand on this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.